I saw some of your things be taken down into the car. What's going on?
I'm moving out of here, Father.
What? To where?
Back to my quarters.
The projects at hand, have you completed them?
You can trust me on that, Father. I'm still on it.
But, son, why are you leaving the palace?
It is obvious, Father. I can't stay any longer. The longer I stay within these walls, I'm not only reminded of Mom, but the memories of Andrew, Sydney, and Alice come haunting me.
Oh, son.
I can't stay.
Son, don't be too hard on yourself. It has never been your fault. You are not responsible for their deaths or Alice's condition. It is an unfortunate circumstance. God knows best.
I wonder if God still exists.
Oh yes. Oh yes. God exists forever. And He will see you through all the way.
I'll miss you, Father. What is life? Some say it's a game of chance, or what you make of it. Others say it's like the flowers that flourish at a time and wither when it is cherished most. Well, in my own definition, life is just a lesson for all. Life is a tree that bears forth sweet and bitter fruits. On the road of life, we all make mistakes, and these mistakes hunt our memories down to the grave. Memories of tears and anguish. Will they ever end? Only fate has the answers. I have learned from my own mistakes. Perhaps I have been chasing shadows all this while. I think it's time to bury the past. Time to live again. Time to smile again. A new life. A new beginning. And a new world.
Yeah, so basically that's what it's all about.
Yeah, I know.
Straight up. So, what about your proposal to the Ministry of Works?
Man, still waiting to get a response. But let's hope it clicks anyway.
Yeah. Don't worry, it will click. But then again, business it has two sides. It's either you win or you lose.
Come on, man. I thought I told you this before. It's about time you get this into your head. There's no failure in my dictionary, man. No failure.
All right, let's see where your assertion leads you this time.
Come on. The destination, man. The destination is money. It's money, man.
Money making machine.
Yeah, that's me. That's me. That's me. Well.
Yeah, hello, what's up?
Yeah. Hello, Natasha. Where are you?
Yeah, we just entered the premises. Where are you now?
Oh, we are over at the Mad Bar.
Okay, alright.
Man, Ben, the ladies are finally here. The babes, man. They're finally here.
Babes?
Yeah.
What babes? You didn't tell me.
Man, it's a surprise package, man. You know you gotta start all over again, man. You need to start all over. I'm telling you.
Hey, sweetie.
Oh, hi, darling. Good to see you. Man. Hello.
My friend Amanda.
Oh, what a beautiful name, Amanda. Can I feel you? Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Ladies, this is my friend Prince Benjamin, the one and only child of the royal house of Umokro Kingdom.
Wow. My pleasure.
Pleasure is mine.
And I'm most honored to meet you, my Prince Charming.
Okay, ladies, enough of the introductions right now. Could you please make yourself comfortable? Aha, here we are. Come on, here.
Bro, that would be necessary. Calm down.
Sorry, I have an urgent meeting. I have to leave you guys now. Urgent meeting.
Ben?
Oh, come on, don't blow this out of proportion. I need to go. I'll see you guys some other time.
Have fun. Ladies, can you please excuse me for a while? I'll be right back. Ben! Come on, what's the meaning of what you did in there?
Meaning of what? I don't understand.
Of course you did. You left me and the ladies in there.
What do we do?
How do you mean, what do we do?
For Christ's sake, don't tell me you don't feel embarrassed. That guy just walked out on us.
Embarrassed? Listen, babes. I'm a happening babe in this town and everybody knows that. You know, once in a while, shit do happen. So, just snap yourself off this mood.
Girl, I'm so embarrassed.
I know how you feel.
Oh!
But don't just let that weigh you down. It's nothing. Just take it that way.
Oh.
Come on, Ben, you made my day. You embarrassed me.
Come on, man, you know me. You know, look, ladies are not my style, you know that.
Neither are they any man's style. Ben, they are a priority a man can do without. You know that. You're not an island, you know too. Come on, Ben.
All right, fine. Mr. Preacher Man.
See, forget this preacher man thing, man. Anyway, I'll meet you at the office later.
Good, now you're talking.
See ya. All right.
Many years have gone by, but my world remains the same. Same loneliness, same memories. Perhaps Roland was right. Mine is a boring life. How long will it go on? Oh, Jesus! What are you doing on the road? Huh? Huh? What? From school? Oh, all right. Where is it? Where are you going? Where are you going?
To our house.
All right. Where is your house?
Down there.
Okay. You know the road to your house?
Yes.
All right. Go. Good day.
Confidence.
Are you her mother?
She's my niece. I hope there's no problem.
Not exactly. I almost hit her down with my car.
Oh my God.
No, don't worry. Don't panic. She's fine. She's fine. So I decided to bring her back home.
Thank God. Thank you so much. I was actually on my way to pick her up because the aunt that's supposed to pick her is now around. Thank you so much.
No, don't panic. She's fine. Just don't be late next time.
I'll remember. Have you said thank you to Uncle?
Uncle, thank you.
Good girl.
That's my little girl. You're welcome. Right. Okay, I'll be on my way now.
So soon? Come on. Come inside for a light refreshment, please.
Nah, don't worry.
You
I'm
sure?
a very busy man.
Okay.
Just take good care of it, okay?
Thank you. Bye. You okay? How was school today? Good girl. Come. You are so high right now.
No, come on.
You're so high you can't even
No,
see me
don't
clearly.
say that. I'm not high. I'm fine.
Totally high.
Look at me. I'm an honorable man with my 2 feet. I'm standing with I'm not high.
Oh yeah.
I'm not drunk.
Don't scare me like that.
I'm fine. Don't worry. I'm fine.
Baby, you know that I love you, yeah? But please promise me you won't drink again. Like this heavy?
Come on, you know. Now that I have you, why on earth would I drink? Tell me, now that I have someone as beautiful as you, as loving and caring as you, why would I drink?
I promise you, I'll do my best. I'll do anything it takes to always put a smile on them cheeks.
And you know, Dad will be so happy for us.
I know, right? Yeah. Even happier to know that you're going to be a happy man again. Trust me.
Thank you.
Come here.
All right. Shall we?
Oh, yes, we shall.
That's all.
Yeah, but, the keys. I need the keys. I won't be the one to drive.
Okay. All right, fine. You know I'll always do anything for you. But kiss me.
Then what is your problem? Do you actually realize we're in a public place?
I don't care.
People are watching us, probably.
Hey, I don't give a damn. I want to look. I'm not gay, right? And I'm happy I'm not gay. I want to kiss you.
You're not gay. You were playing. We shouldn't be.
Kiss me and you get the key. Okay, now you get out. No, of course I will drive. No, I'll drive.
Oh, look at those eyes. Endowed with the glory of the moon. She was indeed an epitome of beauty. Oh, how I wish she is here with me. How I wish I could still look into those eyes to tell her how much I miss her. She would have been my only consolation for Alice. But now she's gone. Gone forever. Leaving me only with a broken heart. If only I can turn back the hands of time. However, history she remains now. Only history. I will miss you forever, Sydney. May your gentle soul rest in peace.
Forgive me. Hi.
Yes. Do I know you?
I was just thinking you may need a ride. Let me give you a ride home.
Right. No, I'm going down the street. I'll take a bite.
Wait. Let me give you a ride.
No, I'm fine, thank you. I'll take a bite, please. sorry. Excuse me. I'm going down the street. Number 52.
So wait, can you just spare me a
Please
minute of your time?
excuse me. Please, just down the street, please.
I enter this one. Okay, boss, take care. Be very happy,
Alice, is this a dream? What could she be doing in this town? Can I ever see her again? A million questions remain unanswered. Oh, wake up to reality, Ben. Alice remains history. Only history.
Confidence.
Yes, Uncle.
How are you? Ah, you remember me? I'm sure. You remember me? Okay, you must have come with someone. Cool. Your auntie, where is she? Okay. Alright, let's go say hi to her. Hi.
Hello?
Are you the one that came with confidence?
Yes.
I presume you don't know me. Obviously. Well, I am the guy who brought confidence back from school the other day.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, my auntie told me that she brought her back from school some guy. Are you the guy?
I'm the guy.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's all right.
I'm so grateful. Thank you.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Yeah.
You said your aunt.
Yes, the woman you met in the house the other day when you came by. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, all right. Okay.
Wait a minute. Have I met you before?
No, I don't.
No, yes,
I don't think so.
Remember the other day, the girl you asked to get a ride with, and I said no. I declined. Some days ago, remember?
Okay. Yeah, I remember. Oh, yeah. Nice. Well, my name is Benjamin.
Okay.
Call me Ben.
Ben. I'm Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Yeah.
Beautiful name.
Thank you.
Well, Vanessa, the pleasure is mine.
The pleasure is shared.
All right, let's carry on with our shopping.
Okay. Yeah. Have you seen what you want? This one? Okay, let's go this way. I think they're inside. How much is it?
15,000.
Oh, 15,000.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it.
No, you don't have to.
I said don't worry. I'll handle it.
Okay. Thank you.
Put it back.
Okay, I will. It's going in.
Hope you won't say no to it.
I just, you know. Okay. Well, thank you so much for everything. You didn't have to pay though. Yeah, thank you.
It's alright. It's alright.
Hi, Vanessa. Hello. Good day.
Yeah, good day. No. I know you can't remember me. The other day I brought Confidence back from school.
Yes. Forgive my short memory. So,
it's alright.
You won't believe what this gentleman did today. He paid for everything at the supermarket.
Really?
Just say thank you to him for me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow, that's good. What's your name again?
Ben.
Ben. Forgive my short memory.
It's alright. I still remember yours. Gloria, right?
Good, alright, that's good. Okay, so you're seeing him
Yes,
off?
I just want to see him off to his car.
Okay. So hope we'll see you some other time.
Yep.
Good. So where's Confidence?
Oh, she's inside.
Okay. Bye. Hope to see you again.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Yeah. So,
Hello? Anyone home? Hello?
oh my God. You caught me unawares. I mean, no phone calls, nothing. I wasn't expecting you.
Forgive me. I was actually on my way home.
Oh.
Then I saw this nice gift shop. New place, so I decided to pop in and get a few things for you and Confidence.
That's very nice of you. I mean, very thoughtful. Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Ow, it's quite heavy.
Yeah.
I'll drop this. Thank you. Ow.
Beautiful stuff. I know you love it.
Oh, nice. Oh, really?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, I'll be on my way.
I was just thinking that, won't you wait a little longer? Because Confidence is not back yet. And she would love to see you.
Oh, I would love to see her, but no time. I have to go.
Okay. It's okay.
Alright, send my regards to her and your auntie as well.
I will, definitely. Thank you.
I was just thinking, what's your program going to be like this weekend?
Why are you asking about my program?
I'm sorry. I was just wondering if you're kind of free. I would love to take you and Confidence out.
And you think I'll say no to that?
Good. I'll take that as a yes. Alright. Saturday afternoon.
Yes.
Good. I am not promising anything, but I sure will give you guys a wonderful time.
Perfect. Nice. Thank you so much for coming. I'll just see you off.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Have a nice day. Thanks for the gift.
Very well.
Yeah. Bye.
Yes, I can see a woman whose heart is troubled because she seeks to have the knowledge of her troubled past failure. She seeks to have the knowledge of her fruitful past. I can see that woman. Woman, show yourself and the God of Elijah. That same power that defeated the prophet of Baal shall reveal to you your past. Oh, yes.
Prophets, you seem to be speaking about me because there is no other woman around. Okay, tell me about myself.
The grace of God is upon you this day. That which you seek shall be revealed to you. The power that defeated the prophet of Baal, the God of Elijah, shall reveal to you that which you seek. Shirima Maskobo, stretch forth your right palm. Stretch forth your right palm. Oh, holy man. Oh, I can see. Oh, I can see. I can see. I can see a husband and a daughter. Yes, in your past, I can see that. Holy Jehovah.
A husband, I mean, it's my past I seek and not my future. I have never been married before.
Let us go.
Your past is enveloped in darkness, woman. Enveloped in darkness, you're filled with bad experiences in your past, woman.
Can we just...
Oh, holy Mike.
Okay,
holy
fine.
Mike. Let's go.
Oh, Ben, just give me a minute. Let me just do this. Okay, you know what? For me to believe you, I want you to tell me my name. What's my name?
Jehovah Jah. Jehovah Jah. Jehovah, I tell you, your name is Alice.
Alice.
Let's go.
Oh,
That's not my name.
I know that God I serve has never given me a wrong prophecy. One day, the truth shall be revealed. The truth shall be revealed. Holy, holy, holy.
You're welcome. You are the wisest member of my cabinet. And that is why I have invited you. Jay, my heart aches.
What is it that could be troubling Your Highness? The great Iroko tree, the giant masquerade of Umokoro, that you seek the wisdom of your humble servant.
Jay, even if the Iroko tree is as strong as it is claimed to be, it cannot make a forest on its own. That is why I need your wise counsel.
If my counsel is good enough for Your Highness, who am I to conceal it? Speak, and your humble servant will answer it.
It's about my son, Benjamin. You know, he's my only son. He's the heir to the throne of Umukoro. He is the one to herald in the future of this kingdom. And the destiny of my people lies in his hands. And for that reason, I am troubled.
Igwe, you speak in riddles. Be emphatic so that I could comprehend.
His bachelorhood gives me concern. As you know, I am desperately in need of a grandchild since I myself had only one. The royal family needs to be expanded. And you yourself know, according to our tradition, that should anything happen to me, he might be restrained, you know, and he's not married.
Bano, God forbid, Igwe, nothing will happen to you. But I suggest you get him a wife.
Oh, I have done that severally over the years. He doesn't want to know. Since he lost his love, he has not once looked in the way of any other woman.
And where is the girl in question?
She's out of reach. And there are so many complications surrounding her story.
If I may suggest, you get him a wife that looks like the other one. Every man needs a beautiful and virtuous wife. A royal prince might even ask for more. Give him a fitting wife to replace the lost one.
I tried, but it appears my best is not good enough.
You will. To my honest, just let him be. You can force a horse to the stream, but you can't force it to drink water. Marriages is all about hearts. Get him a wife, and nobody will put it asunder. Igwe, ties of the soul is like unbreakable bond. And I know my prince is a passionate one. Try this.
The great masquerade who dances to the rhythm of the spirit. The eyes and mouthpiece of the oracle. What message have the gods sent you to deliver to my royal family?
Your Majesty. Osoji Kambo, Osoji Adejiji Fele. Your Majesty, your humble heart is troubled. Fear for the future of the throne of Umuokoro. Fear for the untold doom that you anticipate. Do not be afraid, for the gods has brought to you a message of goodwill. The throne of Umuokoro, they have entrusted into your palms and your seats. Generation after generation, they will bear your name. I can see the sun shining on Umuokoro. I can see the wind blowing forth good fortune. I can see peace in the land of Umuokoro. For the gods are with you, Your Majesty. The gods are solidly behind you.
I told you, I told you. The gods have favored you. Yes.
Should the future of my throne and the destiny of my kingdom depend on the pillar of this divination?
Your Majesty, Ezemo is the mouthpiece of the oracle. It is unthinkable to imagine that the oracle could lie. Your Majesty, you are a kind one. The gods deem it fit to reward you. Yes, Your Majesty.
Ichi,
Igwe,
I want to thank you very much. I shall never forget your wise words.
Thank you, Your
For
Highness.
your kind wisdom.
Yes, Your
I shall never forget it.
Thank you, Igwe. Igwe, Igwe,
The truth, Vanessa.
What's truth?
The prophet that day.
Oh, okay. Well, I just did it for the fun.
It wasn't for the fun of it, Vanessa. I can see the sorrow in your heart. You're hiding something from me.
No. No, I'm not. I'm not hiding anything.
Yes, Vanessa. Listen, we have known and grown fond of each other for months now. Don't you think it's wise we share in your pains?
Wow. It's something I have not told anyone before. Remember the accident I told you that took Confident's parents' lives? I lost my memory as a result of that accident. I live in a new life, a new book, a new story, and a new companion. You know, I just wonder sometimes what my past looked like. Was it fun? Was it full of intrigues? Was I a drama queen? Or was it bitter, you know? And I just wonder sometimes if I could have it back. Or maybe it's lost forever.
You know, the world you see today, Vanessa, is all that matters. Somehow I find myself in a similar situation. Yes, like should I carry on with my new life? You know, just keep living, or should I keep dwelling on the past? And then I realized something. The past remains the past. It's all gone. It's gone forever. You need to put it behind you and move on with your life. If you want to be happy, just move on.
Happiness in you. You're like a brother, a best friend. And seriously, like, I think about it, I'm like, if my past was close to what I have with you, or what I share right now, it was sure an interesting one.
No tricks. Close your eyes. Hey, it's a surprise. Close it. Not like this. Look at me. Like, shut it. Shut your eyes. You don't want to do that now. Stop. Look at me. Like this. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. You're very tricky. You don't want to close your eyes.
Confidence is really fond of you.
Yeah, what do you expect? Kids get easily acquainted. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I just wish that that you were a father.
Well, she needs fatherly care, just as you have shown her motherly care, which she deserves. You know, being an only child, I have come to cherish companionship. And that's exactly what I get whenever I'm here with you guys. Yes, it's just like we are one happy family.
Your family. Okay, so would you not take apple?
I will. Let
Want to
us
share with Confidence?
All right, cool.
Okay, I'll take this one then.
have lost you before. And even now that I have found you, I still feel like letting go. We have caused each other so much pain. We walk, but there is no path. We live, but there is no life.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Hey. What's up? Oh, no, give me that. No, not my picture.
Stop it, no.
Give me that.
I'm not giving it to you. I must say this to your ever-loving Alice today. I'll see her.
No, it's not yours.
No, I'm not giving it to you. Stop it. Oh, God, there. You said something.
What did I say?
You said you put your past behind us. They're just but memories. And you would put Alice behind you. You know, face the future and the new world.
Okay. Did I really say that?
Yes, you said so. Yes.
Well, my dear, Vanessa, you are my world. My future. My future lies with you.
Remember what the prophet said? What if it's the truth? What if
it is not the truth? Come on, forget what the prophet said. He could just be a swindler.
Oh my God. Ben! This is me. Ben? Do I remind you of Alice?
She lives in you, Vanessa.
I don't understand what you mean by she lives in me.
Well, you know, I really wish I could tell you, but some things just happen that we don't understand, and they are better left the way they are.
I'd rather be on my way now. I wouldn't want to bring back your past, you know. I'm sorry. Yeah, bye.
Vanessa. Vanessa. Vanessa.
Yeah. Oh. You scared me. I didn't see you coming.
How could you, when you've been like this all day? Eh? I know it's Ben.
Sister.
Eh? True love cannot be hidden. Oh. I know when two people are in love, oh, it's written all over you. Eh? So tell me. Don't you love him?
I do. I love him. But you know, our past keep haunting us. I am haunted by the loss of my memory. And he's haunted by the loss of a woman he loved.
Where is she now?
She's dead.
Oh. Such a pity. But my dear, I want you to know that nothing can come between two love. Each time I look at the two of you together, I see a wonderful couple. However, nothing can come between two love, not even the past. Okay? So cheer up. Cheer up, my dear.
Such a world. How would she ever know that today is her birthday? A special day. Such is the irony of life. We sometimes live twice. Even if I can't say happy birthday, at least I can give her a gift. For my love, Vanessa.
I'm coming. What are you doing here?
Good day, sir.
Answer my question, young man. What are you doing here?
I came to see Vanessa. I mean, Alice.
Ben, so you found her to destroy her finally. Look, if you think you can take advantage of her plight, then you are a joker. Listen to me, young man. You are playing with the fire that will eventually consume you. Will you shut up? Don't you dare address me like that anymore. I'm not your useless and irresponsible father.
And don't you ever address my father in such a manner.
Then keep quiet and live here!
Dad?
Yeah.
Ben? Hi, you came. And Ben, this is my father.
Okay.
Dad, this is Ben.
Yeah, Ben.
A very good friend of mine. Oh. Oh my God, you brought me flowers. Oh, thank you so much. They're beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Would you want to come in?
I'll be on my way. I'll see you later.
Why the hurry? Ben, wait.
Auntie Vanessa, your phone is ringing.
Hello?
Hello, this is Ben.
Yeah, Ben. Ben, why have you not called me? I've called you severally, but you will not pick up your call. Why? I mean, it's been 2 weeks I saw you last and I've not seen you since then and you didn't bother to call. What is the problem?
I've not been around. Yes, I'm out of town at the moment.
What? You traveled? And you did not even bother to call me? No, is that right? That is so wrong. Confidence here keeps asking me about you. She's very worried about you.
Look, I am really very sorry. And tell her I love her and I'll make it up to you guys when I get back. Alright?
Okay. Yeah, bye.
Okay, bye.
Hello, dear. How are you?
Fine.
Have your auntie given you something to eat?
I'm very tired.
My dear, I had a very busy day.
Okay.
Yeah, that reminds me. I saw Ben.
You saw Ben? Ben has traveled. I mean, I just spoke to him on the phone and he's not in the country. So, how did you see him?
Vanessa, read my lips. I saw Ben today.
You will not understand. I needed to be alone.
And that is a lie. That is a big, fat lie. Ben, you are breaking down and I can see it. I know that I don't have a place in your heart. What dwells there is the memory of the dead. Your mom, Alice? But listen, the dead can never come back to us. They are gone. You have to move on. Life goes on. You have to stop doing this to yourself. Okay? Alright?
There are some things I wish you could understand. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
I understand. I really do. I truly understand. I do. Okay?
My heart is broken.
You know, I can't just
How can I
get you off my mind. I am addicted to your presence, Ben. I am really addicted to you. I want to know, what do you feel in your heart for me?
Your eyes, your smile, they can win any man's heart.
Will they live in your heart forever?
Only the future can tell, Vanessa.
I can see the future, Ben. The future is bright and beautiful. It is.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right.
To some it brings pleasure, and to others pains and tears. Most times that which the heart seek often makes the heart.
Brought you here so you can help your life, and certainly not to gallivant around with some hoodlums in the name of friends.
Dad, Ben is not a hooligan.
I don't care what you think, but you must put a stop to that relationship at once.
Ben has shown me so much love. He has been there for me. He has been so caring and loving.
Look at you, ingrate. Look at you standing there talking to me about love when you are about to disobey me after all the love I've shown you, Vanessa.
The love you show me is your responsibility. Ben is a total stranger and his love cannot be equaled.
Then you must keep away from such stranger. You must desist from having contact with them.
Never over my dead body.
Vanessa! Okay. I am sorry. I don't mean to make you angry. Come and sit down so we can talk. Come and sit down. Have I ever spoken to you this manner before? Vanessa? Of course not. You see, there are things you don't understand. It's not as if I'm trying to curtail your freedom. No. But everything I do it for your own good. Yes, for your good as my daughter. And for your life. After all, you have every right to friendship. But this particular type of relationship can only lead you into a wayward kind of life and jeopardize your already precarious health situation. Try to understand, Vanessa.
Well, Dad, I'm very sorry about my attitude. But you don't understand. Ben is not like that. I mean, Ben has been there for me. He has shown me so much love. He has contributed his own quota to my life. He has defined his limits.
Of course, every relationship has a limit.
But Dad, I mean, he has brought peace to my heart.
Look, Vanessa, it will do all of us a lot of good if he sticks to his limit. Eh? In short, try and forget about him.
But Dad,
My daughter, I don't want us to talk about this again. Go and have some rest.
This is power of love.
Yeah, they're called the pawns, right? The front liners, the pawns, yeah. Yeah, the front soldiers, these guys right here. And this one is called the castle. Yep, the castle. Yeah, then this is the knight. The knight, yes. Bishop. Then this dude right here, badass dude, the queen. Oh, badass.
What did my father say to you the last time you visited?
Nothing.
So, why did you stop visiting?
Position.
You know that my father does not like you.
Maybe.
I don't know what he holds against you.
Of course, every normal father would react that way. I think he's just trying to protect you from danger, that's all.
You think so?
I know so. Now concentrate and learn the game. Alright?
Well, you know, sometimes we smile and our hearts weep. It's only the heart that knows why it aches.
Gloria,
Uncle,
where is Alice?
she went out in the afternoon.
Go and bring back that tray. You see, Alice is beginning to live an indecent lifestyle. Yet you are doing nothing about it.
Uncle. Uncle, Alice is old enough to take care of herself. Eh? Besides, she's safe where she is.
Oh, so you even know where she went and you support it. Eh? Look, Gloria, I entrusted her to your care, hoping that you will protect her. But regrettably, you have disappointed me. You know very well how precarious her health condition is now. Yet you still allow her to be exposed to danger
Eh? That's the height of irresponsibility, Gloria.
Brother. Alice is safe where she is. Eh? She's safe where she is. Trust me. Eh? She's safe with Ben.
Nonsense! Rubbish! That's a bundle of hokum. Ah, my God. Look, Gloria. In as much as I agree that this is your house, you pay the rentage. But, you see, that singular name, Ben, I don't want it mentioned here again. Or don't you know that that man is a threat to her health and life in general? You very well know how precarious her situation now is. You still allow her to venture near Ben.
Okay, Uncle, I've heard. Eh? You're just recovering, no? I don't want anything to happen to you again, please.
Father, what did you say to Ben?
The truth.
The truth? What truth?
Listen to me. Ben doesn't belong. Simple.
He belongs to my heart. He has given me what no one else has given me. True love. And I hold him dearly. Why are you tormenting my emotions? Why don't you want my happiness? Have you ever held my hands and searched through my heart and know what lies in it? No. Because you're selfish.
Stop, Vanessa. Stop. I have given you everything a father can give to his daughter.
You're not my father. Yes, you're not my father. Because if you were my father, you would have known that my joy lies with Ben. And I will remind you, when two hearts meet, nothing can come between them. Nothing. Excuse me.
Vanessa!
Excuse me!
Vanessa! Have somebody actually told him I'm here? Well, good day, Your Highness.
I was not expecting you in my palace. Now to what do I owe this visit? And why did you refuse to sit down?
Well, to be more specific, Your Highness, I have come to ask you to warn your son to keep away from Vanessa, my niece. Or else.
Or else what? Now, who is this Vanessa? And who gave you the effrontery to stand before me? I'm talking about my son with such disrespect.
Well, since you don't know this name, Your Highness, let me use this opportunity to remind you that she is the same girl that your son destroyed some years ago. Now the worst part is that he has trailed her like a shameless he-goat to where she is hidden, to finish what is left of her. But if he doesn't desist, this time around, I'll be forced to break out of patience, Your Highness.
How dare you stand before me and lay threats on my son? Now, I was very lenient with you the last time, but I promise you this time that you will have another story. If you don't leave here within 1 minute, I'll set my guards on you. Now get out. I said get out.
Well, I will leave your palace because it is not my house. But tell your son to leave her alone. Let him leave her alone. Because if he doesn't, my shadow will still lurk around. Have a good day if you can.
Get out! Come on!
You swine.
Sorry.
Nothing matters to me right now. Nothing. Just here, holding your hands like this. You know what? If I were to make a wish right now, I wish that I'll spend the rest of my life in your hands. You know what, Ben? My heart never lies to me.
And what does your heart tell you?
My heart tells me that I love you. I really do love you.
I think you need to take a shower. And maybe a cup of coffee. I'll fix it. I try to get far from her, the closer I come. I know for sure that you need all the rest you can get. Good night, Alice.
Unlike Alice at all. Why are you silent, Uncle? Silence is not an option. We can't just sit here and do nothing.
Listen to me, Gloria. That I kept mute doesn't mean that I don't know what has been going on behind my back. Now I want you to read my lips. I know where Alice is.
Where?
Yeah, so tell me.
Yep.
How was your day at work today?
Oh, my day was so busy. So busy. No rest.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
No!
What?
I want you to go upstairs and have your bath. Then you come down and have dinner.
Wrong decision. No, I'd rather feast than this. Then I'll do the shower later.
Okay, you know what? This will be the last time that you do this. You promise?
I promise.
Okay.
Oh.
What?
Nice.
You like? Oh. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Whoa, wait a minute. How did you know my favorite meal?
Is it your favorite meal?
Of course it is.
I just guessed, you know. Oh my god, I'm so good at this. Yay!
Alright, let's do it.
Okay.
Whoa, I can't wait. I can't wait.
Oh, let's make you it then. Okay. Here we go. You want more?
Yeah.
Of course. More?
Wait, the little fish thing.
I'll give you everything, don't worry. Okay. You see, now I have nothing to eat.
Of course you do.
Okay, yes, water. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, I'll get you water to wash your hands. Oh, sweetie. Honestly, it was really stressful today for me.
Okay.
I was just sleeping.
That was stressful.
Yes.
You should come do my work.
I know your job is so hectic, right? Now, eat your food.
Alright. We pray.
Oh, yeah, so pray.
Pray for us.
Okay. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father in heaven, we bless this food. We give you praise. We thank you for everything. We thank you for the pockets that brought this food to our table. Father God, as we eat in love.
Susan, I cannot take any further embarrassment for her sake. She has to go. She does not belong.
Father, our world is doomed because of me. I can't turn my back on her now, Father. I believe that fate has brought us together again so I can give her a light of hope. Oh, how hopeless and shattered her life would be without me.
An affection overstretched becomes an illusion. You have done quite a lot for her.
Father, for my sake, let us stay.
No, son. She must go.
But even if I go, my heart will always remain here. I don't know where I belong in this miserable world. Everything I hold dearly has a way of slipping away from me. Sometimes I wonder if my sun will shine again. Sometimes I wonder if my flower will blossom again. Darkness has suddenly overtaken my world. I am like a haunted soul, wandering around with no hiding place. I am like a haunted soul, wandering around with no dwelling place. But there is something I know. Going through all the circumstances in life, then in you I have found happiness. In you I have found a home. But all I can say right now is I just want to say let's goodbye.
My daughter, please stay. I am sorry. You have a home here. And you will always have a home here.
You have to drink up, you know.
Yeah, no.
You'll be late for work. Don't you care for bread?
Sir, so we were outside to see you, sir. One say nine papa, the other one say nine sister.
Are you serious?
Calm down. All right.
Sir, I should bring them in.
Yeah, bring them.
Okay, sir.
Calm down. Don't be agitated, right? Don't panic. I am here. He will not do anything. Right?
Is it that you call yourself or what? If you know what is good for you, stay out of this. Vanessa is living with me right now.
Why are you doing this? Huh? Why are you doing everything possible to make me hate the woman I love? Why do you want to come between us? Why?
Nonsense. Don't come back. And you don't belong here. And you will never belong here. Any day you look from the house again, you will see the other side of me. Now, get moving.
Uncle, you're pushing her so hard now. It's not fair.
Will you keep quiet and keep going? Both of you.
Ben, please, I am so sorry. Please, forgive. Please, I'm so sorry. Uncle, I don't like this.
Sorry for who?
I don't like it.
Nonsense. What an impudence. Assuming your mission on earth is to marry. Must it be Ben? Must you die with Ben? Let's go.
What is going on here? I said, what the hell is going on here? And you, what are you doing in my son's house? I said, what are you doing in my son's house?
It is not yet over until you tell your son to leave her alone.
And you tell your daughter to leave my son alone. Samuel, or whatever it is you are called, let me remind you that a dog does not bark, does not mean that it cannot bite. How dare you? How dare you barge it on my son, a prince for that matter? Oh, I restrain myself from unleashing my burning flame to consume you because of him. No, because I know the kind of mad dogs low-life people that you are. What has my son not done to improve the lot of your daughter? Do you appreciate it? No! All you keep talking is arguing and insulting him.
All you are doing is I cannot go. Then take her, get out.
Take her and get out.
We have not had the last.
I say get out.
Your Highness.
Get out.
I will get out. Let him leave us alone.
Go.
I will go. Let's go. Let's go.
It's okay.
And you have my plan. Follow her.
Don't come to that.
You better. Let's go. Remind us.
Get all of you. Bunch of identical plumage. And you, Vanessa, you have been a big disappointment to me. I have done everything within my power to keep you satisfied. Yet you are not satisfied. So this is the way you wish to pay me back for all that I have done with intransigence and insubordination. Now listen to me. From today onward, there is no more leaving this house to any place. That is final. Take it from me.
I'm really sorry for everything, Father.
It's all right. It's okay, son. It's okay. You know, this world is a very strange place. The good live for a while, but evil flourishes endlessly. Oh yes. Can you imagine if someone was responsible for the death of your mother? Such is the circumstance here. Anyway, you must never trade your heart for hatred, even if it hurts 1,000,000 times, because hatred can kill. It is most unfortunate that the world is full of men who are malicious, you know, and everything that is evil. You should always forgive and love your enemies. By so doing, you will feel fulfilled. And above all, you will feel divinely rewarded.
Your awesome perception and positive judgment towards things, they just amaze me. Honestly, Father, I cannot thank you enough for your tremendous support, both morally and otherwise. In you, Father, I have also found a mother and a friend. What can I ever do without you?
Oh, my son.
Thank you, Father.
Oh, thank you, son. I'm only trying to do my job.
Ben, I know that you're hurrying off to work, but can I just have a few minutes of your time? Really, I came to apologize for everything I've put you through. I want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
But that was in the past. All that was in the past.
I was incarcerated by my father. I managed to elope. That's why I came here to talk with you.
Elope? Why would you do that? Oh, come on. You don't have to do that. You belong here. They are your flesh and blood. I'm sorry we have to give it up.
You have to. You have to give it up.
Yes.
We have to give this up. We have to give what we share up. Our love, our hope, the future we've worked so hard to build up.
Vanessa, you don't get it. Look, we have no choice. There is no choice left.
We have a choice. True love. We have true love. True love conquers everything. We can prevail against problems, against troubles, against temptation. We can do this. We can fight this.
It is too late, Vanessa. It is too late.
And you can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. You can't shatter my heart. You can't just do this to me. Then we can do this. We can fight. We can make this happen.
Vanessa, you will not understand my compulsion for giving up.
You don't!
What?
My conscience! My conscience wouldn't let me. It's not as easy as you think.
Your conscience. And your conscience. Then, if you have a conscience, I want you to look me in the eye and tell me that you love me. Tell me that you would never ever leave me. That we are meant to be for each other. Just say it if you have a conscience.
Alright. Can you give me a little... Give me a chance to explain this. Listen. Look, listen to me, Vanessa. I want to move on with my life. I want to forget about the past. But I can't. I've always believed that you are the hook that I need, but right now I doubt it. I just want you to leave. Please. Just go.
True love is destined by God. We're destined to be part of love.
So you never loved me. All this was just infatuation, a fairy tale. Ben, I just want you to look into my eyes and tell me that you don't love me. Just say that you don't love me. It's fine.
Oh, I love you. I love you with all my heart. I love you with everything I have. I truly, truly do love you. But as a friend.
That I found you, I feel so great. I love it most when I'm with you. Though it's true that I lost you, but that was in the past. Then I promise this is forever. Nothing on earth will come between us. You and I together again.
Uncle, did you see Alice?
What do you mean by did you see Alice? She should be in her room now.
Uncle, Alice is not in her room. I've checked everywhere. Besides, there are little of her belongings left in this house.
No. You just can't be serious.
Uncle, I'm serious. Alice is not in this house. I've searched everywhere.
What is this supposed to mean?
Uncle, what do we do now? What do we do? Hey. What do we do?
Cindy.
Don't be afraid.
Cindy, you are dead.
But I'm with you. I have come to bring the light of hope into your dark dwelling place.
Hope. You speak of hope. There is no hope for me. It's gone with the passing wind. No hope.
No, they are not. Look around you, Ben. Look around. What do you see? Only loneliness and emptiness. Loneliness is like a shadow lurking around you with pains and anguish. Do not be afraid of them. Fear is the meal of cowards, and tears, signs of weakness. You have lived long enough in that which you cannot see, you cannot get. But you must ignore the past. Follow the future. You must live again. Remember what your mother told you when you were only a child. That the road to destiny is full of thorns. But in the end, success. Do not give up no matter what you come across. Do not give up on this journey no matter what you come across. Be brave like a hero. Your future lies in that which you endlessly seek after. Follow your heart. Follow your heart.
Sydney. Sydney. It's just a dream. What is she trying to do?
Okay, see the man here. See him.
No, put down that thing, my son. Put it down, please. Put down that thing.
What are you doing in my house?
My son, please forgive me for what I did the other day. I'm very sorry. Now, you see, Alice has been missing for days now. I never know how to come to you. But I just have to put up the courage to come and find out if she's here.
And does this place look like a hideout for kidnappers?
No.
Now shut up! Turn around right now and leave my premises. I don't want to see you or Alice again. Now leave!
I will.
Okay, on the go.
I said leave!
I will.
Okay, on!
I will.
What have I done? God, where could she be? Should anything happen to her, the guilt will haunt me till I die. Such a strange world. I wanted her with all my breath in the past. Now the reverse has become the case. Is this love or lust? Just like a sweet pain.
You are still awake, sir?
Don't worry about me, Father. Go to bed. I'll also go to sleep.
Son, you still love her, don't you?
You know what Mother used to tell me? There comes a point in life when you come between two roads. The wrong path and the right path. The wrong path is usually broad, very wide, and seems easy and it will entice you. But the right path is narrow, filled with thorns. But the wrong path initially will be success and pleasure. But in the end, sorrow. And on the right path initially will be so much trouble and pain. But in the end, peace and victory. Now tell me, Father.
treading the right path. The Spirit is always with you. Come, let's go and have some rest.
I want to be quite sincere with you, Your Majesty. I'm not comfortable with this visit of yours. It's almost 2 weeks since Vanessa got missing. I have already accepted I have made a grave mistake. I have sacrificed her happiness and security on the altar of my vendetta. I have been praying to God every day to ask Him bring her back to me. Why are you tormenting me, Your Majesty? Why?
Samuel, I have come here the second time to seek for your forgiveness on behalf of my son. But the high level of resistance you have unleashed on these youngsters in a noble relationship can destroy them. And I can tell you, as the head of this kingdom, that those two are in love. And I have brought some presents. As you go through them, I want you to think. Think about the future of your daughter. And think about the future of your granddaughter. I'll be waiting.
Who cares about wedding gown? Jesus Christ. What's the meaning of this? A widow's gown.
Instructed you relax. There is nothing wrong with you and surely you are not losing your head.
No.
Please relax.
No, you don't understand.
Relax.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
Relax your head.
The only thing I want to say is that he suffered from a terrible shock. His condition has deteriorated seriously. We need all the information we could get. What exactly happened to him?
Doctor, by the time I came back, he was already down.
But he managed to tell me that the king paid him a visit. And ever since he left, he has been seeing hallucinations of Vanessa, suffering and smiling at the same time. Doctor, I don't know what that means. I don't.
Our diagnosis shows that there are some substances that must be removed from his brain.
That was exactly what the former doctor that attended to him said. And he recommended the operation immediately. But we could not afford the money he asked for.
I want to be sincere with you. Go and look for money. The operation we are talking about warrant penetrating to his brain through his ear. It is very complicated. And if that is not done, it could lead to death.
Hey! Thank you, doctor.
I understand. Your brother said that Vanessa is missing. Has she been found?
We have still not found her. We've searched everywhere. We've been to the media houses. We've been to the police station. And still there's no hope. In fact...
Oh, are you serious? What is going on?
We're all praying, really praying.
Oh God, God, please save her wherever she is. What about your brother?
Ben, that is another problem. He is sick. He's admitted in the hospital.
Hospital? Which hospital?
One St. Christopher. In fact, I was on my way to the hospital before you walked in.
Okay. Hang on. Just before you leave. I have this letter for Vanessa. Can you help me deliver it to her? If you find her before me, because I'm searching as well.
Sure, I will. Ben, thank you so much for your tremendous support. You've been so kind to us.
It's all right. You're welcome. What about Confident?
She's gone to school. We're hiding the story of Vanessa's disappearance. You know how intimate they are.
Poor girl.
Yeah. She misses her very much.
Everyone misses her. Everyone. All right. Can I drop you off?
Sure.
Getting into my head that Alice cannot be mine. She is gone. What have I done? What have I done?
cannot be quantified. I cannot tell you that I've had more pain than you, but I have had this kind of pain. So please, learn from my experience. Do you want to go mad? Or do you want to try and pull yourself together? It's very painful. It is very, very painful. Anybody who says anything else is lying. It hurts. But you have, but you don't go and lie down and play dead. Yes, you fall. You fall, you get up, you wipe your bottom, and you are off again. You must. You must. And I promise you that by the grace of God, Alice will be found and brought back to you. Oh yes.
Oh, Father. Father, I don't want her anymore.
What?
Yes. Believe me, oh, Father, I'm going crazy. I don't want her. Believe me, I don't want her. She's just driving me crazy. She has messed up my whole life, Father. I've just been busy chasing shadows, blinded to reality, Father. I don't want her. I just want to focus and have a good life, Father. I just want to focus and just achieve my dreams, and you start a new beginning. I don't want her, Father. I don't. All I want, Father, is to focus and have a good life.
Exactly.
Have a new beginning.
Exactly.
Father. I don't want her.
Okay. All right, please. Oh, please. Just calm down. Calm down. It is not easy. It is not easy at all. If it were possible, I would take the whole pain that you are going through now and put it on and take it away from you. Because I'm looking at what you are going through now, and it's really hurting me. It's hurting me. Please, calm down. You have to think of the way forward. It is not easy. I never said it is easy, and nobody can ever tell you it is easy. Why do you think I have been coming here to spend time with you so that we can put our heads together to find the way forward? My son, there is no magic to it. We have to think about it. We have to consult. We have to cooperate between ourselves, utilize my experience, and then whatever we can. Please, my son, please. I know it hurts. God knows I know it hurts. And if there's any way I can ease that pressure, I will do it.
How I wish I could just find another father. That would be all.
You already have. Alice is yours. Alice will always be yours. Have faith. Have faith, son. Have faith, because I said by the special grace of God, she will be found and brought back to you. Yes. I say so. What do I do? My son's condition is deteriorating. He is breaking down subsequently. Oh, the gods of my ancestors. I call on you for help. A helpless man I have become. I know exactly why you're calling. Do realize that I remain His Royal Majesty Igwe Omekagu the Fifth of Umukoro Kingdom. I have given you my word on the matter, and you can be rest assured that I am the man of my words. I will handle your problem. Just relax. Hmm?
Glory, I don't know how to thank you for your immense effort ever since I've been admitted to this place. You have done more than Napoleon could do. It's unfortunate. There is probably no way we can raise such a copious amount they mentioned for my operation. But be it as it may, if I die now, I certainly didn't die a young man. My fear is not to die. It's for the fact that I died without preparing at least for her future. A promise I made to her father before he died. Look at it. Who knows where Alice will be by now? Eh? I want you to promise me, Gloria.
Anything.
Whenever you set your eyes on Alice, that you will tell her I loved her so much, that everything I was doing, I meant good for her, stop. Not evil.
Stop.
Oh, Alice,
Stop, brother, please
Alice.
stop.
God.
You're not going to die, okay? Do not give up your faith, please. Uncle, with God, there is hope. There is hope.
Oh yeah, such miracle is very rare. Remember what the doctor said? The important thing now is that you take heed of all the things that I've told you in case they come to pass.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. And how is he now?
I never knew you would answer my invitation.
I am the king. I do not make empty promises.
Please sit down. I want to talk to you.
Thank you.
See, Your Highness. It's so sad we are discussing this on my sick bed. The other day, after you have left, I come to realize what my stubbornness have cost me. So I want to apologize for all the things I have done to you and Ben, your son. I now remember all the good things Alice told me about Ben, your son. She told me that she loved him so much, even before she got married to Andrew. Look at it now. Faith has brought them together again. Your Highness, such love is made in heaven, and no one can put asunder to it, not even myself. How I wish they were both here, so I can join their hands together. But my mistake has sent Alice to isolation. I created a boundary between me and Ben. Your Highness, you have a large heart like your son, Ben. All my hope is now pinned on you. I want to make a request. So that even if I die, I know that I die a happy life. Please, whenever you see Alice, make sure she gets married to Ben, your son. And that will make me fulfill my. Wherever I am, the Spirit will rejoice with me.
Well, I am glad to hear that you have accepted your mistakes and you intend to make amends. That is good. But I have something very important to tell you. It's the fact that you are not going to die. No, you are not going to die. I met a doctor and he explained to me your condition. And actually I have made payments for the operation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you,
welcome.
sir.
You're welcome. And preparations for the operation commenced.
But how do you have to go that far, Your Highness? After all I have done to you.
The least I can do is to save a dying man.
God will surely reward you. But my worry now is that Alice is nowhere to be found. Ben, your son, is angry with me. I'm now standing between the life and the death.
Look, all you need to worry about, the little energy you have, is to concentrate on yourself. And by the special grace of God, Alice will come back to you.
Yes.
Well, thank God the operation will be successful.
By your grace, Your Highness. You gave us hope when all hope was lost, and we are indebted to you forever. The doctor said he will be discharged very soon.
Good, good. I'm glad. I'm glad.
But my joy is still incomplete. Even though I've recovered. But Alice is still lost.
No. She couldn't be lost. No, Alice is not lost. She will come back to you. And quite soon. So, just calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Your Highness, you've been saying this. You've said it for the 10th. Where is he? Every time she will come back, she will come back. She will come back.
She cannot be missing like that. Don't worry.
Alice!
Alice! Alice! Oh my God! Alice! Brother!
Where have you been, Alice?
How come?
Where have you been?
She's been with me all this time.
Your Highness! Oh, thank God.
Yes. I was aware of the possible dangers in her emotional state and the pains and agony that my son was going through all because of her. So I decided to take action.
How can I live without you? My world is incomplete without you. Every now and then my heart beats for you. I will die for you. I will die for you. without you. I will die for you. Every now and then. My heart is for you. My heart beats for you. I will die for you. I will die for you.
My dear, where are you coming from? And why are you looking so distraught?
Ben says he doesn't love me. So I just want to move on with my life.
Please, come with me. Come with me. I asked you to stay back because I want us to discuss something. You love my son, Ben, don't you?
I love your son very much. But he doesn't feel same for me.
Oh, he loves you. He's my son. I understand his feelings. He's probably overwhelmed by anxiety.
Well, I understand that nothing can come between true love. Not even the pressure from my father. But I don't understand something. I don't understand why Ben would want to let me go.
My daughter, a man's heart is like a riddle to a woman's comprehension. Nevertheless, there's a way out. So, I decided we should play a mischievous game. I explained it to her. She agreed to play with me. And what is this game? She was going to elope from her house to mine. At least her parents will think she has eloped. And they will be looking for her, and this will take 2 or 3 days. That is number 1. Number 2, because you love her so much, you begin to feel guilty. You think it is your fault. There are things that you should have done that you have not done. That is number 2. And because you love her so much, and she dotes on you. If I had told her about the sickness, she would have jumped out of the window and the game would have been over. But because I heard her uncle express such love, it was such joy to listen to. I said, yes, the time is right for her to come home. And that's why she's here today.
Such a mischievous game.
Exactly.
The good part of it is that we are all here together in peace. My daughter, you don't have to worry. Ben's father, His Royal Highness, has asked for your hand in marriage on behalf of Ben, and I've given my consent.
Yes. But I thought you were not in support of all this. What happened?
Perhaps your game worked indeed. Honestly, my daughter, even all this while, I was fighting to keep you away from Ben. Your word kept echoing in my mind. When two hearts meet, nothing can come in between them. Not even me. Son.
It's too late now. Ben has broken up with me.
No. It is because of my uncompromising stance. If you tell him now that I've given my consent, he will surely come back to you. Or do you want me to tell him myself?
No, Father. Well, I just want to put the past behind me. I just hope my future is bright and clear. I want to know what is in Ben's heart for me. I will break the news to him. I'll take it from there and know what the future holds for us. I just want to leave it at that. His heart is very far from me now. How do I make him understand? How?
My dear, from Ben.
From Ben?
My dearest Alice, I am very sorry for the way I treated you the other day. I never meant it when I said I didn't love you. I truly love you and will always do. I couldn't just control my emotions. Please, please forgive me for hurting you. I miss you so much and I want you back in my life. My guilt will not allow me to come before you unless I know you have forgiven me. And that is why I am writing to you instead. I love you.
I was wrong. He still loves me. Oh my God. Are you serious? Oh God. Oh my God. God has finally answered our prayers. My father has agreed for us to get married. God has answered our prayers. God has answered our prayers. Thank God. God, I mean, very soon I will just be adorned with a bridal glove and we'll just walk down the aisle and we'll say our adieus together.
Annabelle, I have a lot to say to you. But I don't know where to start.
Start anywhere, Ben. I have a feeling. I can see it in your eyes.
One thing I know for sure is that I need a new beginning. I can't continue living in misery. I need to move on. And I feel I should move on with you. Could you please be mine?
Oh my God! Ben! Oh my God! Could I ever say no to you, Ben? Oh my God, am I dreaming? Oh my God!
This is power of
just proposed to me. Maybe you are not giving me a ring. What's going on here?
What have you done to Alice?
What's going on?
I hope you've not forgotten what the doctor said. Any emotional trauma could lead into brain hemorrhage. But I hope you have not told her anything of her past.
Even if I didn't tell her, sooner or later she will get to know.
Oh, and for that you want her to remain a widow for the rest of her life. Snatching away from her the joy of her future. Son, can't you see that you are her joy? My daughter, I don't know what you have with my son. But all I can say to you that you should not be deceived. My son has a past, and that past has a part to play in his future. What I'm saying is that he belongs to another. And as his father and king, I am advising you to heal your wound before it grows broader.
No.
Ben, let me die! No, you are not going to die. Listen, you're not going to die. Wait.
What do you want from me? I live in an unreal world right now, so just let me.
No, you live in a real world and you deserve the best.
Oh, please don't sound like you care about me because you don't care about me!
I care. Look, I care. Alright, go. Listen to me, please. Please, I care. There are things you need to understand.
Oh, listen. I understand everything. I know everything. I know that no one cares for me. No one loves me. Ben, I gave you my heart.
It is not true. It is not true. Wait. Perhaps it is time for you to know about your past.
Oh, God. My past?
Yes, your past. The fact that was hidden from you after the accident.
I told you about that accident. You knew nothing about that accident. I told you. Have you forgotten?
But I know that you didn't only lose your memory in that accident, but your husband as well.
My husband? You're crazy.
I am not. I am not crazy. I am not crazy. Listen, the prophet the other day, he was right. You were married. You and your husband were in a car that night and the car collided with mine. Yes. I am responsible for your loss of memory. And I am also responsible for making your daughter fatherless.
My daughter?
Yes. Confidence is your daughter, not your niece. And your real name isn't Vanessa, but Alice. Alice is your name.
Stop it, just stop it, just stop everything, just stop it, just stop it. No, just stop it, just stop it, stop it, stop it. No, stop it, stop it, no, oh my God. No, just shut up. it! Just stop it! Just stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Don't touch me!
Listen, I am not doing this to hurt you. I just feel that it is time for you to know the truth. Now you know why I've always been around you.
Wait. My father.
Samuel is not your father. He is your uncle.
My daughter, I hope all is well.
I want to know the truth!
What truth? I mean, what truth are you talking about?
She knows. There is no need for further lies. I told her everything. About her accident. About her late husband. About her daughter.
What's going on here?
Ben has told her.
Ben has told her what?
About my hidden past. About my miserable past!
Oh, son, how could you? Do you want to destroy her completely?
You once told me, Father, that no matter how long we hide the truth, one day it will be exposed. Even if I didn't tell her today, Father, someday she will find out. She deserves to know, Father, and I feel that today is the right day.
I'm sorry, my daughter. Please, could you have a seat so I can explain few things to you? You see, my daughter, I have to lie in order to keep you alive. I even did everything for you and your daughter. Even Ben here, he has done a lot for you. In fact, he has done the unimaginable, my daughter.
And he will never stop doing. To tell you the truth, Ben has always loved you. Oh, not just now, but long before you married your late husband. Ben has sacrificed for true love. But he still lives in guilt, waiting until your lost memory comes back to you.
My accident was part of my destiny. If it wasn't you, it would be someone else.
But if my word can take the pain from your heart, I forgive you. I forgive you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Then on that note, excuse me just for 1 minute. Vanessa, here is something you cherished so much. It is your diary. I said to myself that I have to keep it for you for a day like this. I have not bothered to read through it. I know that you used to be very meticulous about it. Go through it. Perhaps you will find something in it that will help you pull through this present-day predicament. Take it.
What I write here today is my top secret. It happened in the palace of King Omikago. Ben took me out on a date. It was such a lovely outing. Finally, we ended up in the throne room of the king.
This is the throne room of my father. And naturally, I should not bring you in here.
Well, it looks vintage. So, what am I doing here if I'm not supposed to be here?
I decided to bring you in here to prove to you that you are not just a visitor. You belong here.
Well, I don't understand what you mean by I belong here.
Because, my dear, you are unique. You are exceptional. You are outstanding. See, when I look at you, you remind me of my mother. Yes. I see royalty written all over you. A perfect replacement of my mother.
Now you want to make me cry, right? It's not going to work, trust me.
That's not what I'm doing. Come here, my love. I'm sorry, but I'm telling you the truth. See, we have something between us. Something called true love. And if I'm ever going to spend the rest of my life with any woman, that person is you.
Ben, please can you just stop talking about this, please?
My love, I can't stop. You see, fine, we can try to hide it. We can do our best to hide it. But it lives in us. right here.
Alice.
Alice, we are in love. And I want us to live for love.
I admit that Ben is awesomely charming. He has this passion that runs in his eyes. I was consumed by his aura and personality. Ben was very excited. He opened an expensive wine and asked me to drink. I got tipsy eventually and slept off. I finally woke up in one of the rooms in the palace to behold myself naked. It was clear to me that Ben had his way with me. This is...
I told you I didn't want this. I said it. I said it. No. I told you. But I told you I didn't want to do this. I told you. Oh my God.
We didn't do anything wrong. We just had fun and I enjoyed it. You loved it too. You don't have to act like this. Of course we're adults. We didn't do anything wrong.
What a terrible mistake I have made. Betraying Andrew. Oh my God. I regret every bit of it. As I write this today, I am in tears. Pregnancy test has confirmed me 2 months pregnant for Ben. Just a few weeks to my wedding to Andrew. Can I confess to Andrew? No. Can I ever confide in anyone? That would be destroying my world. I have only one valid option to seal this mistake in my heart. I must make Andrew believe he is responsible for the pregnancy. I will proceed with the wedding. As a compensation to Andrew, I will remain faithful to him forever. My top secret.
What is this, son?
Ben.
Confidence.
Yes, about it.
Confidence. She is my biological daughter.
Your daughter? Your what?
She is my biological daughter.
All that has happened, despite all that I've heard, there is so much that lies behind me. So much tears, so much sorrow. The truth is, there is something that I have found out today. I have found out that I am a mother I have found out that I am a widow. I have found out that I will live a lonely life.
Oh no. No, Alice, stop. Stop. I am here for you.
Ben, you've done enough for me. You've done everything. Just leave me. Just leave me wallow in my loneliness.
Alice, no. You are not alone. You have never been alone. I have always been there for you. For you, I have lived like a married man. For confidence, I have lived like a father. You know why? Because I love you. What if I tell you that I love you more than I ever did, and I can never live without you? What if I tell you that I am ready to give Confidence, our daughter, the love of a father and my name? What if I tell you that I am ready to give up everything just to be with you? Will you marry me?
Yes.
Power of love. This is power of
We all are living witnesses that whatever takes its root in God must succeed. In my capacity as a king, I hereby declare God is the greatest. Whatever God says yes to, nothing and no one can say no. It is a process that started a long time ago. And now it has got to its crescendo. Alice, my dear, shall be well with you. Standing before the council of elders, I welcome you to the palace as the wife of my son. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. Thank you. You are the one his heart yearned for. And you are the one that he has married at last. In my position as the king of Umukoro, I hereby declare you the royal princess.
The great Edochie tree.
It shall be well with you.
The giant masquerade of Umukoro. His Royal Highness.
I welcome you wholeheartedly as my son-in-law. Igwe, my joy knows no bounds.
Mine too, mine too.
Alice, my daughter. I'm a fulfilled man today. Your father, my brother, will be happy, man. Whatever she thinks.